Hey, this is Eric with Follow Up CRM. We help contractors control the chaos by organizing their leads, bids, and clients. I'm here today to show you a quick video demo of how Follow Up CRM can help you. So, when you first log in, you're going to see this nice homepage dashboard of that 10,000 foot view of everything going on within your company. But let's start at the beginning. What happens when you first get a new opportunity? What you would do is you would come here and you would click on the file button. And here you get a nice list of all the jobs that you've bid on. So you have a nice, easy list to read. You can search by them. But let's say you wanted to enter in a new file. You would come here, you would click on new file, and you get this blank page. Really simple. You enter in your project information right here. And then right here, you get some simple drop downs so that you can put the sales status of the job, who's the estimator on the account, what kind of client you're working with, the contract type or the division of the company, the office that you're bidding from, and then we have a computerese number, which is just a custom field that you can add in just in case you want to track like your accounting number or anything like that. So from there, you have your list of sales activities. This is follow-ups sales process. So you can see here, that's what we follow internally. But for you guys, we would customize these activities for your process. And let's say that we all have client meetings and you want to contact the client. So whether it's a client meeting or a takeoff or a proposal that you want to deliver, we can put those in this area. But let's say you wanted to contact the client on Wednesday. You would click on Wednesday here. And now this date interacts with your dashboard. The dashboard is the place where you go to see what activities you have due for the day. So let's say you have a discovery call with the client, just to make sure you're asking them about their needs. You would come here to the activity. You can see I have 13 of them due, but again, these activities will be specific for your company. And these are the activities that I have due in these areas. They're red because they're due. If they're not red, then let me see if I can find one here for you. If they're not due, then they're green. So if it's due, it's red, pretty straightforward. So let's say I wanted to come in here and update this file. Let's say I had a meeting with this company. All I would do is I would come in here, check off the box, and move on to the next activity. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We also have a really nice Outlook and Gmail integration where you can push these activities to your personal calendar or a shared calendar. You can also pull in the contacts right from this button, and you can see the address book pulling right from your Outlook or Gmail. And then also you have your email integration. If you click on this button, your email pops open, and then you can track the email that way. So from here, you're tracking the job, you're updating the sales status along the way. One really nice feature that we have is this project comments area. Let's say I wanted to message one of my teammates here and I wanted to say, hey, Christine, we just won a deal. I would say Christine's name. We just won this bid, and I would send that right here. And you can see on her side, she would have gotten a notification here. You can see I have 11. You could open this up and see who mentioned you on a particular project. So you can see that here I have a couple that I have to catch up on. So there you go. It's a really nice notification tool internally so that you can communicate with other people on your team about a specific job. So from here, we're tracking the jobs, we're tracking our activities, and all of that feeds into the homepage so that you can see the 10,000 foot view of how many bids you have out there on the street, your closing ratio, the contracts that you've won, the bids over here, and then your activities over here. You can also slice it by user, you can slice it by division. There's a lot of other things, but I can spend hours here and show you tons of reports and charts that we have that I can go through. But at the end of the day, I would like to hop on a call with you so that I can talk to you how the system would work at your company. If you would select a time right here on this page that works for you, I would be personally happy to hop on a call and talk to you about how follow-up can work at your company.